Welcome to our grooming showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular cordless grooming kits. The trimmer for men, a 13-in-1 grooming kit designed for precision, and the 14-PC set rechargeable hair clippers kit, known for its value and efficiency. We'll explore their specifications, strengths, and weaknesses to help you make an informed decision. The trimmer for men is priced at $99, positioning it as a premium option focused on professional performance. In contrast, the 14-PC set is available for just $58.99, making it a budget-friendly choice for those looking for value without compromising too much on features. The 13-in-1 trimmer features a high-torque motor designed for maximum cutting power, making it ideal for thick hair. On the other hand, the 14-PC set utilizes a high-efficiency motor that optimizes battery life, providing a reliable performance for everyday grooming tasks. While the 13-in-1 trimmer's battery runtime is not explicitly listed, it charges in 90 minutes. In contrast, the 14-PC set boasts a 90-minute runtime and a rapid charge feature that allows for a full shave after just 5 minutes of charging, making it incredibly convenient for quick grooming sessions. In conclusion, both grooming kits offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The trimmer for men is perfect for those seeking professional-grade performance, while the 14-PC set is ideal for budget-conscious consumers who value efficiency and versatility. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.